Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the Holoscan effects to your videos in CapCut. So this Holoscan effect is pretty new on CapCut, and here you can find it on the video effect. So the effect is now also trending, this one. Holoscan, but you can always find the effect under the scanning category. Okay, so if you want to apply it, just click on the effect, and just like that it will be applied like this, but you can always adjust it more. You can adjust the glow like this, the blur effect on the Holoscan, atmosphere. Okay, I'm going to just make it darker like this, and also the speed of the Holoscan. You can also change the color. I'm going to change it into yellow and adjust the vertical. I'm going to go with this. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, click on the thanks, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.